Of the 40,000 primary and secondary educational institutions in Kenya, more than 90% rely on wood fuel for cooking meals for staff and pupils. This translates to 1.3 million metric tons of firewood being consumed each year in Kenya, contributing substantially to deforestation in the country. Combustion of the wood creates an environment of toxic smoke in the school kitchens, and this is inhaled by the school cooks, but also by pupils and teachers as the air pollution permeates into school spaces, including classrooms and playgrounds. Our research group Clean-Air Africa has worked with the school to understand how cooking with wood contributes to levels of air pollution in the school environment. We did this by installing small monitors in the school kitchen, classrooms and the playground, and also placed in a special apron worn by the school cooks. The monitors recorded levels of particulate matter, or PM2.5, and also carbon monoxide, and these are pollutants known to be particularly damaging to health. What we found was shocking. The World Health Organization recommends that levels of PM2.5 should not be above 35 micrograms per metre cubed, and ideally much lower to protect health. We observed levels in the kitchen almost 5 times this guideline level, with more than 3 times the safe level for the cooks preparing the meals, but also in the classrooms where the pupils study. Even in the playground, levels of PM2.5 were almost 3 times higher than the WHO guideline. With its state-of-the-art air pollution monitoring facility here at the Kenya Medical Research Institute in Nairobi, Clean-Air Africa will be measuring improvements in air quality and health as schools transition away from reliance on wood to clean modern cooking.